How to turn off live photos on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Camera. This is the Camera Settings page. Here, you can adjust various settings like photo resolution, video recording options, and preserve settings to customize your camera experience. Over here, go to Preserve Settings as shown. The Preserve Settings feature allows you to maintain your camera's configuration between uses, preventing it from resetting to default settings each time you open the app. This feature is particularly useful for quickly resuming your preferred shooting style without needing to reconfigure settings like camera mode, filters, or aspect ratio. Here, scroll down to the end and turn off the live photo option. You can turn it back on from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily turn off live photos on iPhone.